Alright, for anybody looking, this is how you replace your windshield wipers on a 03 to 08 Toyota Corolla or Matrix. It's pretty simple. Most of your wipers are going to come with instructions anyways. A lot of auto parts stores will do it for you for free, but sometimes people order stuff online, right? Simply flip it up. And then there's going to be this little tab here. You push. It's hard to do and record. You're just going to push this tab here, and then it'll slide back. Okay, just required a little bit of two-handedness. Slides off like that. Then take the new one and just hook it on. Like this. Click. Done. Put your wiper back down. That's how you change your wiper. Driver's side looks a little different for some reason, but it's still the same concept. You still a little tab you push down, pull it off, and then slip on the new one.